In today's video, I am going to review such a good AI social media marketing tool which do everything, and after watching its feature you are going to be amazed. It do everything. It generates the post for you, it generates the caption, it generates the images, the reels, the shorts. It is going to tackle all the research part because with its trending finding and the spy tool you can always find the trending post or monitor your competitor post here. Then it has this kind of the automation available. With the help of you can just trigger the automation, like any user the comment the word on your LinkedIn post or your Instagram post, then it is going to automatically send the DM. So that thing is the alternative feature of the managed chat, but there you have to pay the monthly charges. But here you don't have to pay the anything. You have to just select that post, enter the word that you want your users to comment, and after that you can send them the DM with your message and the link. This is the thing you can also do here with this AI tool here. So these are just the few features I have showed you right now, and in the video I am going to show you all the features with the detailed information. So stay with me for the few minutes and I will talk you with the detail about this tool. So this tool is the Genius.AI, and this is literally a genius in the social media marketing. Right now it's lifetime deal available with the pricing of just starting from the $59, and look at the things you can read out on its lifetime deal page. Okay, the link will be given in the description if you want to check out its lifetime deal page here. So you can read it out, you can check out its feature, all the stuff. It has the calendrical, you can connect your Facebook or Instagram. Then it has also the teleprompter feature available. If you're afraid of the camera or hesitate in front of the camera, then with the teleprompter you can get the AI generated script, and after that it is going to open the words in front of your camera. Now you have to just read out the words and you will feel like a pro recording the video in front of the camera without getting any feared. Okay, then it has the analysis. Like I said, it has the monitoring feature and the spy tool for finding out all of your social media content from your competitors or what are the trending stuff available. It has the Chrome extension available. This is the Chrome extension that you need to just install, and after that no matter which social media platform you chat with your users, it is going to pop up this kind of the extra shortcut. That is the where you can just offer your comments or the response or the replies with the your products. For example, I have added these two products to giving you the example, and if I select that, now it will just comment the user or response the user's message with the information with the product I have added. So this is also a really extra feature available. Right now this is the Instagram messenger I have showed you. Now let me go to the LinkedIn, and here you can see this is the messages, and any user you can select. Now this is the Genius shortcut will be available. You can just select the products, and based on this that selected product you can just respond to that user's message, and this is going to be highly relevant. So right now not you are just doing your content marketing, but you are also selling out your products or the services with the Genius.AI. So this is the thing I want to talk it about. Then there are so many cool things also available. Like this is the post ideas. You want to instantly build your brand or build your authority. You can see there are so many great options available, and if I go to here, like let's create some extra content, and here you have to just ask or give the command to Genius.AI on what topic or the ideas you want to generate or get the content. Here you have to just enter the prompt, click on this send icon. Now it is going to generate the tailored content for you with the images, with the title and all those stuff. You can see type of idea, expert tips, unlock social media success with Genius.AI, discover the secrets behind Genius.AI, Genius, your social media mentor. You got so many ideas, and not only that, if I click here on the use this idea, now it is going to generate the image. You can see generate image. So this is the all the just few features I have showed you. So let me go to its lifetime deal and first talk about the plans available here. So right now it's pricing starting from the, like I said, $59. You can find the link in the description, and here you can see it has only the few features in the first tier plan, and the some advanced features you have to go with the higher plans. Like in the tier 2 plan you got the autoresponder. That is the you want to ask your commentators about a word, and then you want to send out DM to their messages. So that is the autoresponder. Then you are going to get the trending or the spy tool, product imagery, personalized image imprinting, and the CRM. Yes, it has also a CRM available to just manage all of your contacts and their connectivity in this single platform. This is the CRM. I will get to this feature as well, but just wait a few minutes. So what I suggest, go with at least its tier 2 plan or the higher plans is possible if you want to unlock the some advanced features for the Genius.ai. So the link will be given in the description if you want to check out this tool. Now let me go to the Genius.ai and get me started the tutorial, the demo of its features, and talk about its all the options available in this single platform. So this is the dashboard. Once you got its lifetime deal, the first time it is going to just ask you the few questions, few things about your content, about your profile, about your services, about your brand, so it can instantly know you better and suggest you content according to all of the stuff that is the highly tailored for you. Okay, so right now you can see there are the few things available here on the left side menu, and there are the few options as well available on the here on the top menu. For example, if you want to only the add your product, this is the my product section available. Here you can add your services or the products, and after that whenever you are contacting and messaging and talking with the people on the social media, here from you can select that product and just give the response according to that product information. So that thing you can do it from here. Then this is the my social. This is going to manage all of your social media automation and the content here. For example, if I go to the dashboard analytics, it is going to show me all the details like how many the content I have posted, how many the likes or the engagement I got it on that time frame. All this stuff it is going to show you with all insights available here. Then this is the profile feed. So this is the good part, because here you have to just select that profile, and after that it is going to show you all of your recent post for that profile. For the Instagram, you want to put the automation like words in the comment and you will send the DM. That kind of the automation you can create it. So right now I have selected my Instagram profile and it is showing me my recent post here. So when I click here on this purple icon, let me click it here. Now you can see it is asking me enter the word. Whenever a person or visitor comment that word, for example, let me add that word here, and whenever the user comment that word here, it is going to send out this message that you are going to implement here. For example, this is message I want to send you, thanks. Okay, so I have created the message. I can also add the links here as well, and now you can see send the reply with DM. So I will save this one. Okay, and the best part, I can also create the multiple words that is command or the automation here for the one single post. So that is the part I like to discuss about. Then this is the messenger DM. So here it is going to show you all of your recent messages you have created or talked with on the different social media platform. You have to just select that profile here. For example, let me select this one, and now it will show me all the DM or the messages for this profile. Now what I can do from here on this single platform, I can just reply them. I can just create the some automations or based on the word that is going to automatically send it. Or what I can do, I can also add this person straight into my CRM for the further talking or the interaction. You can do that as well here on the messenger DM. Then this is the calendar part, which is going to show you all of your the content from which day, which time frame you have posted that content, or the schedule, whatever the about your content management you can single-handedly view and monitor here on the calendar part. Then this is the manage auto replies. So we have that auto reply that we have added here on the profile feed. You can see we can manage that thing here on the manage auto replies. Okay, so this is feature for that one, and this is the Chrome extension. You want to know how Chrome extension or the browser extension work for the different social media messages or the your managing your chat, then you can simply click it here. It will take you to a documentation you can read about, and from here you can also go to the browser extension and install it on your browser. So that is what this feature about here. Okay, now this is the my social section available. Then after that is the CRM. Here in the CRM, it is going to show you the all the contacts that you have added in your CRM. Okay, so right now the more crazy feature what I about here in the this Genius AI dashboard here. Okay, so I have talked about the products, my social, and the CRM. This one is the really good part, that's why I have just make it in the last part of the video. So let me go to the dashboard, and here I will show you everything. So right now, if you have added the products or the services, it will show up here. You can select from that one. Okay, and when for example I select this product here that I have recently added, it will take me to its script, its comment, its all the stuff I can use it here. Okay, so if I click here on the, I have selected the product here, and if I click here on the sell your product now it will just give me the idea, give me the analysis, give me the all the stuff I can start posting on my social media platforms for the different angles, like the value angle, fear angle, story angle, benefit angle, question angles. You can see I have just added the product here, and adding product is really super easy. You have to simply click here on the add product. It will ask you the product name, product image, product you can add the product website link here. It is going to just analyze the website and fill with all the information. That is so much damn easy. Okay, let's back here, and now you can see I can also select for my personal branding. For example, if I click here on the my social hub, you can see it is starting from the what are you interested right now. So I want to talk about generate a reel on importance of personal branding. Okay, so I have given a command generate a reel on importance of personal branding here. So let's click it here, and now it will just do the task, whatever the thing I have asked it, it's going to give me the ideas. So you can see here, this is the expert tip, this is the inspirational story, myth busting. Okay, based on my given command, it is just given me some ideas. I can use this idea to generate the image, to generate as the social media post, to generate as the reels. So this is what it's this hub section can do for you. And not only that, let me tell you one more thing, it is can also give you the ideas for 1 week ahead. So in the real time you can just get the ideas or the content scheduled for your upcoming days as well. Then this is the heartbeat. So you have to go with their some extra subscriptions here, so I cannot cover it in this part here. The Copilot and the heartbeat, these are the two features you need their extra monthly subscription to use that, so I'm going to skipping that one. But here in the post ideas, I can just create the content on the different ideas, like building my brand value. Okay, and here you can see write post about me, write post helping others, write video ideas about me, videos ideas to help others. This is for your product, this is for talk to people, this is for the marketing and the automation. Okay, so now the next cool feature is the trending videos. Suppose you want to research the content, you want to find out the trending post about your niche, about your product, so you have to just add the keywords and it's going to find out for me. Let me go with the AI tools. I have added that one. Now let me click on the search icon, and now it is going to find out all the trending content here. Let me click here, personal development, and now it will start finding out. Okay, it haven't find out. Let me see what is the mistake I have done. Trending right now, no trending to see it, to come back later. Okay, let me go with the, let me just make it empty. Personal development, sad, importance and career. I think it's trending right now, it's not working properly, that's why it is not showing me any the stuff here, or I think I'm not using the right way. That is the some mistakes I am doing right now. Okay, so let me just skip this thing as well. The next feature is the studio. In the studio you can generate the images, you can generate the reels. For example, here you have to select that I want to generate an image, or you can select to an AI short form video, record a video with teleprompter, generate a product image, edit one of my images, generate a profile picture, generate video caption. So you have to just select that. I am selecting the AI short form video. I have selected that one. Let me click here on the open AI short form video editor, and from here I can just select the form, like the cartoon, fantasy, photo, realistic. So let me select this one, retail, and now this avatar is the change. I can select the voice, I can select the subtitles font here, I can select the language, and I can just paste the script. hi. Let me add this some random words so I can show you how you can generate that one as well. Hi, this is from me. Okay, so make a script, transition, fade. Okay, I can control the transition. Make a script at least 10 words. How are you and how's going on. So I have entered this some random words here. Now let me click here on the generate video, and now based on that it is start generating the video. So it can take some time, so we have to wait a little bit, and boom, here we have our reel is ready. So let me play it for you and check out how it looks like.
Hey there, it's Basant checking in. How have you been? Hope all is well. Just wanted to see how things are going.
Okay, so that's how this is the just demo I have created. My script was not ready. These are the just some random words, and based on that it has added some images, added some subtitles on that, and this is the result. So you can also use studio to generate these kind of the content here. And there's one more extra feature, that is the showcase. So in the showcase you can check out some of the stuff picked, whether it's the AI generated images, it's the shorts, all that things you can check it out in this showcase. And after just trying out the studio, I have again checked the trending videos whether it's working good or not. So I find out it's working really good here right now. So that time there's the issue on the some server or the background, that's why it's not worked, but now it's working. So here you can check it out, all the trending videos. You can just click here or find out the niches. For example, I will go with the fitness and health, and now it is showing me all the fitness and health related reels that are really getting the traction and the engagement here. So this is the trending videos. You can analyze and create the content for yourself too. Okay, so this is the Genius.AI. I hope you got the tools, insights and the information. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.